I'm Dr. David Levens. I'm a plastic surgeon in Coral Springs, Florida. I've been in practice for 27 years. My practice is composed of mostly cosmetic surgery, some reconstructive surgery, and I would like to talk to you today about one of our latest acquisitions in our office, the SharpLight OmniMax multi-modality laser and light-based treatment unit to our office, which has really helped to enhance our treatment of our patients. The non-invasive aesthetic treatments have been absolutely on the rise for the last 5 or 10 or even 15 years. But now we can treat people that we have not been able to treat before. And so we're looking forward to having many more patients that can be treated through the surgical side of the practice as well as through the med spa side, which is already a full service med spa for aesthetic skincare treatments. All patients of all ages can be treated with these light-based modalities, beginning with acne skin treatment for teenagers that can be quite stubborn and quite rewarding, and rewarding for the patients that are happy to get rid of their pimples, and laser hair removal, which can be all ages, and then moving up into older patients with starting to get some lines and wrinkles, and then textural changes, pigment changes. So actually any age group is eligible, and we've seen success and happy patients in all age groups. The practice now is able to, as I said before, cater to patients that are reluctant to have a procedure that might be more expensive or more painful or more downtime, and looking into the internet and social media is rife with quick fixes. This is not a quick fix. You still need to put your time in, but people get the impression that they want to do something that's simple, and these are definitely simple treatments with nice results. But adding the light-based treatments has really allowed us to expand that to pigmented lesions and red spots and lines, and just enhancing. Anytime you do something in the med spa, if you can address an issue through more than one modality, more than just mechanical or more than just a peel, where you can add light-based treatments, it can be very successful. We really like the OmniMax because it's easy to use, and the modalities that we find to be the most helpful are hair removal and treatment of texture and pigment issues, and we really enjoy the resurfacing potential of the Erbium YAG, which is a fractional, minimally invasive, minimal downtime resurfacing tool.
My clients find it to be extremely effective and pain-free. I like the fact that I can regulate how cold the handpiece can get, and it's very quick. The spot size is quite large, so I can cover a large section at a time. I can basically do your whole lip in less than 5 minutes. I can do your lip and your chin area in about 5 minutes. I can do a gentleman's back that has been properly prepped in about 30-35 minutes. There's no gels, there's no consumables for me to use with this. All I need you to do is come in clean shaven. Gels are messy. It's uncomfortable for the client. There's never a full cleanup with the gel. It's something that you have to purchase again and again. We're not looking for consumables, we're looking forever. The feedback that I've received from my clients is that they find it to be more effective than most places that they've been. A lot of my clients have been to a lot of different places around the area, a lot of places that are heavily advertised in the area. However, they feel that the best result they're getting is here.
One of the other points that we really like about the SharpLight OmniMax system is having many different types of pieces and many different types of modalities. Essentially what we're able to do is we call it stacking treatments or combining treatments, and it really is, as I was saying before, it's not realistic to think that one laser is going to fix all. So if you look at the skin and think about treating a texture area, treating a pigment area, treating a red area, that you can combine all those different modalities or treatments in one session, relatively pain-free or minimal pain, minimal downtime. And once again, it usually does have to be repeated. It's not a one-time treatment, but this is something just like going to the gym that needs to be repeated and stay in good shape, where you can really improve your skincare appearance. We've received very good feedback from our patients that really enjoy the treatment. As much as laser is a buzzword that everyone talks about, one of the fearful factors is pain. I've heard that laser is painful, and actually we have a very minimally painful laser treatment, and so people are very excited by that, very reassured and happy to know that they're not experiencing pain that they might have thought would be associated with laser treatments.
So I came in to have brown spots removed from my hand. They were bothering me. They were not pretty. I didn't like the way it looked. Your hands are so noticeable when you write and when you talk. I had the IPL light treatment. It did not hurt. It felt like rubber bands hitting against my hands. My hands were not numbed at all. It didn't really hurt. At first it got very, very red for about a week. It looked like dark measles all over my hands. And then one day I woke up and I was like, wow, it looks great. My hands are beautiful now. They're gorgeous. I love them. And I would definitely recommend this to anybody that is uncomfortable with the way their hands look as we age. This is what happens. So I'm extremely, extremely pleased with the results of this treatment.